I'm Amy Matthews and I'm a level 3 beauty therapy student, and my favourite thing about the course is making people feel good about themselves in our open salon days on a Monday. So some of the units that we learn on level 3 is body massage, body electrotherapy and facial electrotherapy. We also do spray tanning and Indian head massage. So we use an Eve Taylor range for our skincare, and our oils for the pre-blended massage we also use, and they're really nice and they're all natural and good for the environment, which is really good. We went to Pro Beauty at the beginning of the year, which gave us an insight to what the industry has to offer. So our open salons are a really good chance for us to see what it's like in industry and how it will be like for us. We treat it as if we were in a salon and work with the public, so we get people come in for treatments of their choice, and it gives us an opportunity to get our assessments done as well. My plan is to go on to complementary therapy healthcare foundation degree here at East Sussex College, and this course, level 3 beauty, gives you that opportunity and opens the doors to go on to further education. I think someone should study beauty therapy here because it really builds your confidence with working in the public, and you learn so much about the beauty industry, and it gives you an opportunity to make new friends.